go. I'm in. Here we go. Well, he started without me. He's got some good music going here. Wow, he's got his daughter working out with him. Oh man, that's so cool. Wow. Okay, here we'll switch cameras now. Yeah. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do the lunch series 2.0, and we have our matching shirts. Yep. And you guys have your matching pajamas. Well, let's do this. I mean, I remember doing this a few months ago, and
well, you remember the first time I did it.
It was a bit of it was brutal. I bet you this time can be a little different.
It was brutal.
Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna start with the left hand.
Okay.
Left hand, girls. Okay, we'll clean it. Okay, let's do 5 lunge thrusters. Here we are. There's 1.
I do
2.
this. Oh,
3. Four, 5 swings. Okay, swings, girls. 1, 2, 3,
Take a roller coaster.
and 5. A little different than the first time.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're doing 10. Oh, you guys are so fit. Amazing, amazing.
Oh man.